idea is, you know how you're doing a loop down here and a loop up here when you're doing your corkscrew? When you're coming down, instead of doing it in front of you like this, you lift your leg, come under your leg, turn, and come out your other leg. So it's if you were to take your hand, just starting from the side here on the left, because you're coming in this way, clockwise, right? You're coming in clockwise. If you just come from there, just slowly, we're not even really spinning, come down toward your groin, lift your right leg, and as you lift, you're gonna turn your body to the right. So you're gonna lift and turn, and then you're gonna come around and turn again. So you're coming toward your leg, turn, lift, and then you exit under the other side. You should feel the heat of your crotch, right? So as you come down, you lift your right leg, and your hand is here. So if you put your right leg down, you'd be stuck with the point behind your ass under your legs. Then you're gonna lift your left leg as you pull the point out from underneath. As you pull out, you're gonna go up over your head, just like a regular corkscrew. If you don't do it with a turn, as you just did it there, it's much more like Russian dancer style, like, you know, this dance they do. And you have to move really fast because what's happening is the pointer coming down, you gotta go really quick, which is why I'm suggesting you turn to the right with it, because it slows it down. You can come under, turn, under, and no jumping is necessary. Let's do this. Take both of your poi, put the balls in your hands. Okay, so you're up here, you're coming down. As you come down to the right, lift your right leg, rotate 90 degrees, and your hand's gonna be under your ass. Both of your hands will be under your ass. Yes, then you're gonna lift your left leg, come out, and you'll be facing the other way as your poi go over your head. Right, but you didn't turn. So you wanna turn on your right leg. Let's do the footwork first. So if we start this way, you're gonna lift your right leg and turn 90 degrees, rotate to the right 90 degrees. Then you're gonna plant on your right leg and turn 90 degrees to face the back. So it's like this. Bump, 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 bump. So you'll end up facing away from me, and that would be correct. So 5, 6, 7, 8, right lift, left lift. I mean, you're turning a little further, that's fine. You could turn 180 degrees even, and go 1 and 2. It doesn't really matter. You just have to be able to control the poi the whole time. Now, as you come down, you're coming down from the left, you lift your right leg, then you lift your left leg to take the poi out from underneath. So you're doing this way, clockwise, right? Okay, so it'll hit your right leg first, right? So you lift your right leg and then rotate to the right. And then up and over your head. Lift your right leg and turn, lift your left leg and turn. Watch me do it slow. So if I'm doing it slow, like this, when I come down, I can go under and under. Slow, under, under. Slow, under, under. It's super important for this move that you keep the poi in together time so that they can both go under the leg together. You went like this. If you look from the side view, you went like just there, but like in front of your, or maybe if you see it from the side, it'll be better. You went under like this, but in front of your leg, as opposed to behind both of your legs. So you want to, the effect is, as it's coming down and you lift your right leg, if you don't lift your left leg, you want it to hit your leg. That is correct. If you're hitting your left leg, that means you got the right leg out of the way in time, you just didn't get the left leg out of the way in time.